Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. And also, please don't forget to click on that little notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will automatically be notified. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be doing a Fashion Nova try-on. So I'm going to Disney World in a week or two, and yeah, I have some clothes to try on for you guys, and I think that it's going to be fun and great. So let's go ahead and get going with this try-on. Alright guys, so here is the first outfit. Now this is how it looks like. Turning it around, this top is $17.99 and the bottom is $19.99. Now this looks like a set, but it's not a set. You actually have to buy it separately, but together it's really cute. I love the fact that the material on these two products right here, it's a very nice, soft, comfortable material. I feel like you're wearing pajamas. It shows your curves very nicely and the material is thick. I love the fact that the skirt has pockets and it's just very nice and casual but sexy at the same time. You can definitely pair this with some heels or some plain tennis shoes, but here's the first outfit. What do you guys think? On to the next outfit. Alright guys, so that first outfit that you saw was called the Casual Lover outfit. So remember, it is not a set, I bought it separately. But here is the next item I bought are these jeans. And they are high rise and I love them. I love the way they fit, and they're actually skinny jeans. I'm sorry if you can't really see it, but this is how it looks like. And let me do some ballet for you. Know I don't need ballet, so this is how it looks like. It gives you like a nice curve on your butt, and sorry, I'm wearing my sports bra. And these jeans are $27.99, which I think is a really good price. These are literally so comfortable. I can like move everywhere in which direction, and I love the fact that the distressed part is not so crazy. Like this ripped part, I really love it. I would definitely pair this with some nice casual white tennis shoes, and or if you want to be a little sexy, you can pair it with some heels. But yes, this might be my favorite pair, and I might actually go get some more. But yeah, they're very comfortable, really like, yeah, I just like everything about it. Alright, on to the next item. Alright, and the next item I have on is this anything but square crop top on. It does retail for $17.99. Remember, I'm not sponsored by anyone and I bought everything with my own money, but these were the jeans that I just wore on, and look how cute this outfit goes together. Like, it's really cute. I'm loving it. Yeah, this would definitely be cute with some heels and or some nice white tennis shoes. But I love this crop top because it doesn't really show a lot of your chest area. And yeah, it's very classy. You can make it really classy. I actually have a pair of pants that I can use this top with, so that's actually the next outfit. So let me go ahead and put it on. Alright guys, so here is the next item that I bought. This is the Victoria high-waisted dress pants, and these do retail for $29.99. The material is nice and thick, and yes, I do still have all my tags on these purchases, but this is really cute. This is really classy, and it does well with this top. This top I can wear with technically anything, but these pants, they don't have pockets, but they're still really cute. They're nice and comfortable. Like, I feel like I'm wearing pajamas, like literally, and this would be it's actually quite long for me. So this is how long it is, if you can see. But with some heels on, it's like the perfect like height, and it'll give me that illusion that I have long legs, but I'm only 5'1", so no, I don't have long legs. But if I wear heels, girl, I'll be 5'3". So yes, just be aware that these do come a little bit longer. So yeah guys, this would look really cute with like some white heels on. And yeah, let's go on to the last outfit that I got. What do you think about this outfit? Alright guys, I got ready for the last item. So this is how it looks like. This is the Netflix and chill set, and it's literally like pajamas. And yes, there are pockets right here, and it's very long. You would definitely have to get this altered. Like, I have a good 2 or 3 inches, and I'm 5'1", but you can also wear these with some heels to give you that illusion that you do have longer legs. But if you want to wear it with some like flip-flops or like tennis shoes, then you definitely have to get it tailored. But it is literally so comfortable, and the material is actually quite thick, but it's like very breathable. I love this. Now this is a set, so whenever you shop on Fashion Nova, if it says set at the end, it is a set, but if it doesn't say set, it's not a set. So just keep that in mind. And this shirt is a crop top. This outfit does retail for $34.99, but Fashion Nova, they always have like a 30% off your entire purchase or 40% off your entire purchase. So you can definitely get all these outfits on a discount and save you a lot of money. It's so cute. It's like sexy, but still very, I don't know, like it's so cute. Like I'm really loving this outfit. What do you guys think about this outfit? I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. So yeah guys, this is the last outfit for my Fashion Nova haul. There will be a second Fashion Nova haul. There is another shipment coming in. Which one was your favorite outfit on me? Like literally all these outfits were so like comfortable, and they're just yeah girl. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. And please click that little notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And I do have a referral link, so if you do want to save you some money, you can definitely click on that link down below. I will link the link down below, and you will save some money on your purchases. But yeah guys, you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tiffany 24. Bye guys, I'll see you for the next video.